Hello friends, you are heartily welcome to ASIS, the Engineering Foundation. Today under the Java Programming Theory Day 2, we are discussing about history and features of Java programming. I hope you all are also well. Today is the beginning of our Java adventure. Get ready for exciting journey and learning and discovering. So let's we start first of all unit 0. In unit 0 we discuss about history of Java programming language and what is Java, version of Java, types of Java applications, Java platform, and last is features of Java programming language. Let's we start. Our first topic is history of Java. James Gosling and Mike Sheridan, Patrik Naughton initiated the Java language project in June 1991. Originally designed for a small embedded system in electronic appliances, Java has become one of the most popular programming language in the world. Next is what is Java programming language? Java is a versatile language that can be used to develop a wide range of applications. Java is a high-level, robust, object-oriented, and secure programming language. Java is platform independent. Java code can run on any platform that has a Java runtime environment. Used in wide variety of applications, including desktop applications, web applications, enterprise applications, mobile applications, embedded applications, etc. It means Java is a versatile language that can be used to develop a wide range of applications. It platform independence, security, and object-oriented features make it popular choice for developers around the world. Next is versions of Java programming language. In the versions of Java programming language, Java is constantly evolving with new features and improvements being added with each new release. The regular release schedule ensures that developers have access to the latest technologies and bug fixes. Next is types of Java applications. Mainly four types of applications can be created using Java. Java versatility allows it to be used to develop a wide range for applications from simple desktop programs to complex enterprise systems. First is standalone applications. This is a traditional software installed in individual machines. Web applications run on the server sides and create dynamic web pages. Enterprise applications, large scale distributed application used in businesses. Next is mobile applications designed for mobile devices such as smartphone, tablets, etc. These four types of applications can be created using Java. Next is Java platform. The different Java platform provide developers with the tool they need to create applications for a variety of purpose, mainly for platforms and editions of Java platform available. First is Java Standard Editions. It provides core Java APIs and used for developing most Java applications. Next is Java Enterprise Editions. It built on top of Java Standard Edition and include additional features for developing enterprise applications. And third one, Java Micro Editions. It designed for mobile devices with limited resources. And last one, Java FX. It used to develop rich internet applications with a focus on user interface. Next topic, features of Java programming language. The different Java platforms provides developers with tool they need create application for variety of purpose. Today, we will explore the key features that make Java a popular and powerful programming language. First is simple. Briefly mentions the similarity to C++ syntax, making it easier to learn for familiar programmers. Highlight the benefit of reduced learning curve for developers. It means this similarity reduces the learning curve, helps programmer transition smoothly Java. Key concepts like variable, data types, control flow statements, and functions share similarity between the two languages. Next feature, object-oriented. Java is a object-oriented based language. Briefly explain the core principles of object-oriented programming. Emphasize the benefit of OOPs. First is code reusability, second is modularity, third is maintainability. In the code reusability, mentions creating reusable components, it means classes for efficient development. Second is modularity, point out how OOPS helps break down complex program into manageable units. Units means objects. Third one, maintainability, how encapsulations and inheritance improve code maintainability. Next feature is portable. Java is a portable. Explain how Java code runs on various platforms without any modifications. Briefly mentions the role of Java runtime environment in achieving portability. Java code can be run on any platform with a JRE, making it portable. Java code can run on various platforms like Windows, macOS, Linux without modifications. This portability is achieved through the use of Java runtime environment. The Java runtime environment is a software program that translates Java bytecodes compiled code into machine specific instructions that the underlying operating system can understand and execute. As long as a GRE Java runtime environment is available for the target platforms, Java code can run on the platform. Next feature, platform independent. It means introduce the concept of Java virtual machine, JVM, and its role in platform independence, and explain the bytecode compilation and interpretation process. In the platform independent features, Java runs on a virtual machine, making it independent of the underlying hardware and operating system. Java platform independent systems stems from use of the Java virtual machines. The Java virtual machines act as an intermediary layer between Java bytecode and underlying hardware and software's operating system. Java code is first compiled into bytecode, a platform neutral intermediate representation. The Java virtual machine interprets and executes the bytecode and translating it into instruction specific to the underlying system. This separates the bytecode is a platform independent code. Next is Java is a secure language. Java has built-in security features to help prevent malware and other security threats because some key security features of Java like bytecode verifications, strong type checking, sandboxing, security manager is a optional features and explain how these features contribute to secure environment. Some key security measures included bytecode verifications. Bytecode is checking for malicious code before execution, enhancing security. Second is strong type checking. Data types are strictly enforced, preventing unexpected behavior and potential security vulnerability. And third is sandboxing. It means applet execution is restricted within a sandbox environment, limiting their access to system resources and enhancing security. Last is security manager. A security manager can be used to control various aspects of program execution, further enhancing security. This features is optional features. Next is Java is a robust. Java is designed to be robust and reliable with features such as strong type checking and automatic garbage collections. Emphasize the focus on reliability and error preventions in Java. Briefly mention factors contributing to Java robustness like strong type checking, automatic garbage collection, and exception handling. In many factors contributing to Java robustness, including like strong type checking, enforces data types compatibility, preventing runtime error due to type mismatch. And second is automatic garbage collections. Java automatically manage memory allocations and deallocations, preventing memory leaks and improving program stability. Exception handling provides a mechanism to gracefully handle errors. Next features is architectural neutral. Java code is not dependent on the underlying architecture of the machine it is running on. Java bytecode is not tied to a specific computer architecture like 32-bit and 64-bit. This allows Java code to run on various systems with a different architecture without requiring any modifications. In this architectural neutral, explain how Java bytecode is not tied to a specific architecture, allowing it for cross-platform compatibility. The JVM tags care for translating bytecode instructions to be appropriate instructions for the target architecture. Next feature, interpreted. Java code is compiled into bytecode, which is then interpreted by the JVM. This allows for increased security and portability. It means two-step process of compiling Java code, source code to bytecode, and then interpreting it using the Java virtual machines. And the mentions advantage of this approach like portability and security. Java code undergoes two-step process. First is compilation, second is interpretation. Next is high performance. While not always the most performant language compared to compiled language like C++, Java can achieve good performance in many scenarios. Optimization within the Java virtual machines, just-in-time compilations, and focus on efficient memory management contribute to Java performance. JIT compilations translates bytecode into machine code at runtime, potentially improving performance for frequently executing code. That while not absolute fastest, Java can achieve good performance in many situations. Briefly, factors, some factors contribute to Java performance. First is Java virtual machine optimizations, just-in-time compilation process, efficient memory management. Efficient memory management. Here are some assignment questions for you, your practice. As like first question is, what motivated James Gosling, Mike Sheridan, and Patrik Naughton to initiate the Java language project in 1991, and what was its original purpose? Second question is, explain how Java's platform independency, security, and object-oriented features contribute to its popularity among developers worldwide, and provide example of applications that benefit from these features. Third question is, how does the regular release schedule of Java ensure that developers have access to the latest technology and bugs fixes? Provides example of notable features introducing in recent Java versions. Question 4. Discuss the versatility of Java in developing various applications and provide example of both simple desktop programs and complex enterprise systems that have been successfully developed using Java. Question 5th, explore the different Java platform and how they provide tools for developers and explain how these platforms support the creation of applications for diverse purpose. Give an example of a specific platform and their use cases. Question number 6. Describe the two steps process of compiling Java code and interpreting it using the Java virtual machine. How do these two steps contributes the advantage of portability? Next is explain the architectural neutrality of Java bytecode. How does these features contribute to a cross-platform compatibility? Question number 8. Describe the role of Java virtual machine in achieving platform independence. How does the bytecode compilations and interpretation process contributes to Java platform independence? Thank you very much for watching this video. To see more video like this, please like, subscribe and share our channel with your friends so that you and your friends can also get the benefit of this video. See you in the next video with a new topic. थैंक यू अगेन थैंक यू अगर आपको लगता है कि आप जावा प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज में अपना करियर बना सकते हैं, बनाना चाहते हैं, तो आप इस चैनल को बिल्कुल सब्सक्राइब करें क्योंकि इस चैनल पर हम धीरे धीरे करते हुए एक फुल स्टैक जावा डेवलपर का कोर्स लेकर आने वाले हैं। लेकिन उससे पहले आपको एक बेसिक मेथोडोलॉजी, बेसिक थ्योरी कंसेप्ट आपको क्लियर करवाए जाएंगे और उसके साथ में कुछ एक्टिविटी परफॉर्म करवाई जाएगी, कुछ प्रोजेक्ट के काम करवाए जाएंगे, फिर धीरे धीरे इसको एक्सप्लोर करके आगे की ओर लेके जाया जाएगा। तो हमारे चैनल को आप सब्सक्राइब करें, शेयर करें, लाइक करें। ठीक है, थैंक यू।